Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that uh, on your BodyFast app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on me down here. When you just click here on me, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You go up of this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to take you to this list. Click here on notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Just go down here, come here to when a new coaching here is available. Click in this sign or this color, like so. Like you see color is gone, that's mean here when a new coaching is available, disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. Just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.